Oh, thank God, thank God, thank God. Look, trees. I am out of Wyoming. Okay, Wyoming is just miles and miles and miles and miles of nothing. I mean, like, just nothing. No geological formations, no rivers, no rocks, no mountains, no trees. Just weeds. Just weeds. I mean, it makes you feel so hollow, so empty. Ah. Yeah, but I'm here in Colorado now, folks. And look at Wolf. Look at Wolf.
I'm a talking about hellfire. Oh, hellfire. Yeah, hellfire. That's where I'm bound. I'm a talking about hellfire. Oh, hellfire. Yeah, hellfire. That's where I'm bound.
Well, I'm here at an Airbnb condo in Steamboat Springs, Colorado, and it's pretty nice. And I got this spot so then I could order a USB cord off of Amazon, because I've gone everywhere, to every store, every electronic store between here and Montana, looking for the cord between my computer and my external hard drive. Haven't been able to find it. Got this Airbnb just so I could ship it to myself on Amazon, and I checked the status of it today, and it said return to sender because they sent with USPS and they won't deliver here. So I immediately ordered another one, put in the shipping notes, do not use USPS. They said it's gonna get here the night then I check out, and I had to check out that morning. So I'm just hoping it's gonna come early. Otherwise, plan B. Not sure what that is yet.
Take me to the streets so I can celebrate. Never knew a feeling better than today. Means to a beginning of a brighter day. Letting in a feeling, mending what we break. Find the solace in the dissonance. You control the way you see the world. We've come so far, and now let go. Let the feeling take its toll. We've worked so hard, now don't you know? This is music for the soul. Let the music take control.
Alright guys, here we are at Grand Lake, and see that right over there? That is the dam, which is the very source. That is the point. From that point forward, it is the Colorado River. This is the lake, Grand Lake. It's just fed from inlets from those mountains over there, and that dam is controlling not only the water level here of this lake, but it is from that point onward the Colorado River, which is what we're going to be following for the next month. Just following the river through all of America's most beautiful national parks in the Southwest, and getting closer to home, following this all the way back to Mexico, where there's not a drop left by the time it gets there, because it's used to grow agriculture and to feed and water and nourish millions of people of the Southwest. Basically all of Arizona and Southern California, Los Angeles and San Diego, they are all being nourished from this water, this sacred water. Om Namah Shivaya.
away the pain. Life is a playground, you can play the game. Look to the horizon, the sun is on the way. Move till the nighttime, then we'll fade away. Find the solace in a dissonance. You can show the way you see the world. We've come so far, and now let go. Let the feeling take its toll. We've worked so hard, now don't you know? This is music for the soul. Let the music take control.
Alright guys, if you don't know how to be alone and with yourself, you're totally missing out on life. Because I couldn't be doing this and having this much fun and enjoying myself as much if I was with anybody else. The distractions don't allow you to go as deep. Being able to be with yourself is so important. And I know there's a lot of well, that was special. Well, here we are at another one of the tributaries that becomes the headwaters of the Colorado River. This is up above the Colorado River in Rocky Mountains National Park. And you guys, this is the good life. The amount of stillness and silence that I'm able to enjoy up here, the opportunity to enjoy silence in a place like this, in nature, is so precious. This is true wealth, you guys. This is true wealth. So this little creek, this little stream right here in the Rockies, where I am up here hunting the source, the Colorado River. We've just been going up and up and up, continuing to search further. This is the water, you guys. See this water right here? Eventually, you all are going to be using this water in Southern California, Arizona. This will be the water that you live with. This is sacred water, folks. This is sacred water.